Hey guys, figured I'd show you guys this beautiful T680 next gen that we have here. 2023, low miles. Gonna have about 30 of these guys come into inventory. So check them out. Hopefully, you guys enjoy them, and don't feel scared. Give me a shout. I'd love to hear from you guys. So all of these are going to come with the MX-13 engine, 455 horsepower, your 264 gear ratio, double bunk. So yeah, all these right here. Got the aero dynamic package here for you guys. Got some recaps, air slide fifth wheel. These are beautiful trucks. You guys will love these things. Come drive them. Yeah, these are definitely going to be some of the hottest trucks in the market beginning of the year. Got a big package coming in. Low miles, 2023s. Raised roof, double bunk. You know, all the stuff your little heart can desire right here, boys and girls. Give me a shout. Let's check these things out. I'd love to take you guys on a test ride. Let's go ahead and take a little peek on the inside. Double bunk back here, little TV mount, all the cabinets there. Your old bunk window, little bunk door. Boom. Got some more cabinet space over here. And back here, got our bunk heater. Alright guys, here's the cockpit view right here. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, give me a call guys. Got 30 of these coming into inventory, and like to get your name on one. 816-841-2072. You guys have a happy holiday.